On Monday, Shweta Singh Kirti wrote a long post to share fond childhood memories of her brother, late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Shweta took to Instagram to recall an adventurous incident when Sushant bunked school to be with her as a little boy. Bhai's nursery and my prep classes were in the same building, so we managed our first year of school pretty well. But then my UKG class was in a different building and his prep classroom remained in the same building, so we got separated. One day after lunch break was over, I saw Bhai in my classroom. In my building, we were just 4 or 5 years old then. I was completely shocked and as well as happy to see him and asked him how he got there because his building was at least half a kilometer away. He told me that he was feeling alone and anxious and wanted to be with me. I pondered for a while, thinking how adventurous and courageous he was to escape his building with a watchman and then walking half a kilometer and entering my building right under a watchman's nose and finally finding my class and me, Shweta wrote. Sushant escaped his school building as he was feeling anxious. I found his explanation of running away from the building pretty viable as I knew that feeling when I dropped off at the school for the first time. I kept crying and asking Dad not to leave me. Please don't leave me here alone. That feeling. Initial anxiety to be separated from family members and to be somewhere where you don't know anybody. And as a 5-year-old protective big sister, I assured him that he can be with me. First, I tried to hide him in between me and my friend, but somehow my class teacher noticed him while taking attendance. I was myself a little scared, but to protect my little brother, I stood up and told her that he is not feeling well and asked if he could stay with us until dismissal. To my amazement, the teacher agreed and we were so happy, but little after 2 periods, as the social norm will have it, he was sent back to his building, but by that time we had also so much fun that all of his anxiety were gone, she added. In her post, Shweta also shared the story behind Sushant's birth. I've always been told by my family members that mom and dad wanted a son, more so because mama's first child was a son and she had lost him at the tender age of 1.5. I never got to meet my first sibling, but mom and dad were very hopeful for a second son. They made a mannat and started praying to Ma Bhagwati for straight 2 years. They fasted, they meditated and they did puja, havan and went to spiritual places and met spiritual people. But then I was born on a Diwali day. Mama considered me very lucky and often called me Lakshmi Ji. They continued with their sadhana and a year later my little brother was born. Right from the beginning, he was a charmer. He mesmerized everyone with his beautiful smile and twinkling eyes. Shweta also attached a screenshot of her chat with Sushant just 4 days before his death. In the chat we can see Sushant telling his sister how much he is missing her and would like to meet her. बहुत मन करता है दी, Sushant had said. Responding to Sushant, Shweta sent him a picturesque location and said, "Come here for a month, just chill here, अच्छा लगेगा तुम्हें." Shweta, who lives in USA, also recalled a memory from her wedding day. Fast forward in 2007, I remember the day when I got married and as I was leaving, Bhai hugged me tight and we cried a lot. Physically, we won't stay together anymore. We won't get to see each other that often anymore as I was moving to USA, she shared. Both of us got too busy with our lives. Bhai got into Bollywood and kept making us all proud with his accomplishments, but I remained protective about him. I would often ask him to come and visit me in the US so that we can relive our childhood once again, away from all the noise. I only wish I could have protected him from everything. I still wish I will wake up to see my Bhai just right next to me and will realize this whole episode was just a nightmare and nothing more. Shweta grieved. Sushant breathed his last on June 14. He was 34.